To complete a custom form for custom vest embroidery order, please start with the vector image. Please use recommended graphic website which you find on this page. Open the link in a new window. As soon as link is opened, in the search box, please select correct file with the vector images, vectors, and type the desired name of your page. Let's say you want to be happy butterfly. We type butterfly. As soon as images come up, please find your favorite one. Let's say this page, which you would like to see. Please find image ID, copy the ID of the image, and paste right under the image ID number window. Right next to this number, please put the page name. This name will be embroidered right next to your page. Choose the size of the vest. Let's say it will be adult medium. Page size. Your custom page size will depend on the location where you want to put the page. Let's say you want to put on shoulder cut. It means the page will take a size of the available area on the shoulder piece. If you choose bottom cut, it means the page will be up to 10 inches in the diameter and it will be placed right below the seam line, which is we call it back bottom cut. Let's say you choose shoulder cut. Lettering. We have two options of the lettering. Direct lettering, it means that it gives us option to embroider directly into the leather piece. It can be all below the image or it can be together with the image on the same shoulder cut. We recommend to use the direct lettering if you have the fringe style assembly included into your order. If you choose use lettering base, the lettering will be placed into the page and the page will be selected for the image style. Let's say you use lettering base. Bead assembly style. What does it mean? If you look on the available options, beads assembly style, we have dash line, 3 options, and just 1 option for full line. This style will be put all of your parts of the vest together. Dash line, it means that the stitch will have a broken line, and each stitch will be filled up with beads. If you choose single color, single bead, it means that you have option for just single color of the bead. Please choose one. Be placed the single bead into each available stitch area. If you choose multicolor and single bead, please choose as many colors as you like, and it will be set accordingly in each stitch, single bead with a many color spread. If you choose single all multicolor double bead, you put 2 beads in one stitch, and choice will be yours, or it will be the same color, or it will be multicolor, and once again, we will spread it accordingly. In multicolor, please use many color as you like. If it's one color, please choose just one. Full line, to fill up every single possible area of the line and fill up with the bead. In this option, we only can use single bead, but we can use multiple color as well as with the dash line. If you use single color, please use just one number and one color of the bead. If you use multiple color, single bead, please use as many colors as you like and it will be spread accordingly. Let's say you want to have full single color. If you want to have full single color, we will have one color of the bead. Let's say I want to have 5 and I will put 5. Cord color. Cord color I would like to have, if I use purple, maybe I want to have red and I will have C, letter for the cord. Front text. Front text to direct embroidery it into the leather piece, the name and the tribe name. However, you can use any lettering which you like. You can even put hello word. So choice is yours. You're not limited just for name and a tribe name. But usually it comes with the name of the owner of the vest and the tribe which he belongs to. Let's say the name is Alana. And you would like to put on the right chest. And on the left chest, you want to put Comanche. And we will mark it left chest. Talk about t-shirt size. T-shirt. It's a free gift from GS Custom Made to you. You can choose any size which you like. Even if the vest size you choose adult medium, you might want to have adult 2 extra large for somebody else in your family. Please choose it. The chosen t-shirt and size will come with a picture of the patch which you selected for the vest. In this case, it's Happy Butterfly. So picture of the patch will be printed on the front of the t-shirt and Happy Butterfly lettering will be printed above the picture. As soon as you're satisfied with every chosen area in the form, add to cart your order. Click More button for the information which you selected and see if it's all was selected properly. If you selected everything which you desired, please proceed with checkout. You can use PayPal or you can use your credit card payment directly from your banks. If not, please remove the order from the cart and continue shopping. It will redirect you to the Our Custom page. I hope this video helps you to understand how to fill up the custom form for your custom vest embroidery. Thank you so much for choosing GS Custom Made, and we always would love to see you again. Have a blessed day. Goodbye.